We are here in a small village outside of Altdorf. We are still following William Tell's footprints or footsteps. So let's check out this church. The parish church of St. Peter and Paul is located on top of the hill in the town of Burglen in Switzerland. The oldest place of worship in Burglen is mentioned in a document from King Ludwig the German as early as 857. The second was built in Romanesque style in the 12th century. The third church, built in 1430 in Gothic style and was enlarged in 1481. Today's Baroque church was built between 1682 and 84. The architect and client was the later pastor of Burglen, Johann Jakob Scholar. The choir section with a very large dome is a reminiscent of a Roman dome churches. This had evidently made a deep impression on the architect during his visit to Rome in 1675. The great organ has an eventful history because in the early years, the church did not have an organ until 1710 when it was built by Joseph Bossart from Beauvoir. Then it was rebuilt or replaced again and again. The current organ dates from 2016 and was built by the organ building company Matisse from Naples. It is a 3-manual instrument with mechanical action, 1810 pipes, and 28 registers. At the outside of the church near the village square, there are 2 chapels that were built about 10 years after the church was built. The ossuary and the chapel of the Mount of Olives from 1693. Inside the Mount of Olives chapel, there is a Gothic group of figures with Jesus and the 3 sleeping apostles on the Mount of Olives. Other scenes of suffering are embedded in the chapel wall. On the ossuary chapel, there are skulls preserved in the wall niches, indicating the original function of the chapel. It contains a Gothic winged altar, Alright, until next time, bye! So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit